LinkedIn, formatting your work and volunteer experience and project sections. For your LinkedIn profile, the work experience, volunteer experience, and project sections should be formatted by using a combination of a bite-sized paragraph and bullet points. Here's an example of how you can format an entry under the work experience. Please note, this is how you will format entries for the other sections as well. An entry begins with a brief paragraph that summarizes what you do, what you will be doing, or what you have done at the organization. In this example, the user shares the following. Like last summer, I will be working with Renu Minhas, lead researcher of Deafblind Ontario Services, to conduct literature reviews, update the National Services Directory list, and create a national and international database of services offered for congenital, acquired, and age-related dual sensory loss. Following the paragraph will be bullet points formatted in an action verb, duty, and results statement that go into greater detail of your experiences. The user writes, my key duties for this project include searching scholarly databases like Medline, Web of Science, PsycInfo, PubMed, and CINHL to determine existing literature on consent and assent strategies used in research. Screening over 1,000 plus articles through title and abstract assessment and extracting relevant data for full text review. This format helps the reader because it gives them the option of either having a high-level understanding of what you do without being bogged down with information and or learning in greater detail what you have accomplished. Keeping with best practices, it is suggested the opening paragraph be 3 to 6 lines, while the bullet points should not exceed 2 lines each. Lastly, your LinkedIn profile should not be a copy of your resume. It is recommended that the text under each section entry be worded differently or include new information that a reader would not have seen if they viewed your resume. For more information or further tips and tricks, visit us at the Career and Co-op Center. Feel free to attend one of our many workshops or even make your one-to-one appointment with our career educators.